Hey, what's up everybody? Aaron here. Today I'm going to do my seafood boil dry seasoning recipe. I get a lot of people emailing me and unfortunately I can't keep up with those anymore. So instead I'm going to do a video so you guys have the exact ingredients and know exactly what to do. So here's everything in front of me and I'll go through step by step, make it super easy. Some of the ingredients I'll talk about, like limoncho, it's hard to find but there for reasons. Chef MERITO'S here. And then the cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, you could adjust it to how you like it. And I'll show you what I do and what else you could do if you like it spicier. Anyway, check it out. Okay, we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. And you could use more. You could double that if you want. 1/4 cup of chili powder. 1 cup of garlic powder. 1 cup of paprika, 1/2 cup of onion powder, 1 cup of kosher salt, 1/2 cup of celery salt, 1/4 cup of ginger powder, 1/4 cup of ground white pepper, 1 cup of Lawry's seasoned salt, 1 cup Chef MERITO fish seasoning, 1/2 cup of sugar, and then we're going to do 4 or 5 of these little cans of limoncho or limon 7, which is basically just lemon salt, or a 1/4 cup. Alright, we'll give that a little stir, and then we'll bag it up and wait for Shelf Fest 2022, which is our 10th annual. Hopefully you guys check it out. Okay, so there it is. Makes about 4 to 4.5 pounds, which is good for about a sack of crawfish or 30 or 40 pounds of seafood, which is what I do. Usually good for about 30 to 40 people, which is what our Shelf Fest usually sees. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Hope you use it. Let me know how you like it. Thank you guys.